Hello, good morning everyone. I will action my revenge. I'm going to Barangay San Isidro. Just wait my revenge because I am very much embarrassed in a public, in a social media. Just wait there. Maldita kayo ka.